It's a 2018 Toyota Highlander. Whether you are getting away or just getting around town, the Highlander makes the journey a little more fun. It comes with all the amenities you need. V6 engine, front heated leather bucket seats, integrated navigation system with voice activation, auto-dimming rearview mirror, dual zone climate control, in-tune, Bluetooth wireless audio streaming, express open and closed sliding and tilting sunroof, power liftgate, and automatic transmission. Of the Highlander, Motor Trend remarks, cabin emphasizes functionality and is geared towards families with its adjustable seating arrangements, 60/40 split second row seats, and a large center console bin. Comfortable, convenient, quality. Toyota. Someone is going to drive this fantastic vehicle off the lot. It should be you. Test drive it today.
The Nye Automotive Group has been the premier dealership in Oneida for vehicle sales and service for over 40 years. We are conveniently located on Route 5 in Oneida.